Hi beauties, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video it's all about fluffy kink, and I'll be showing you guys how to install and take down this hair step by step. But if you're my old subscriber, thank you so much, honey, for coming back. I do appreciate your support and love, and I'm humble, guys. I'm humble for that. But if you are new to this family, you are welcome. My name is Glory Toy, and before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell, and don't forget to share this video with your loved one. So here we go. So I start to part back section. You may decide to do any shape depending on how comfortable and easy for you to make these lines. And then I will go ahead and use this kinky style. I got this hair from Darling, but you may use any kind of fluffy kink hair. If you are in Tanzania or Kenya, it's so easy to find this hair. And this is old hair. I brought this hair a very long time and I keep it in my house. And today I decided to show you guys how to style it. This is the length of each piece of this hair. And then I'll be using this Afro Twist Braid. This hair is also same like Marley hair. So each piece I'm going to cut and get 4 pieces. Just like this way. So all of these 4 pieces, they are equal. And then I go ahead and make sections. So in this fluffy kink, you may see one side is so beautiful but another side not beautiful. So that side which is not beautiful, I decide to trim off a little bit so that I can get thin begin. And then I take one piece of Marley hair, then I'll be using to wrap on top. So I put fluffy kinky in between of the section, then I fold my hair just like this way. I make sure I hold my natural hair together with fluffy kinky hair so that the fluffy kinky hair will not slide out. Then I take a piece of Marley hair and I start wrap on top. When you are wrapping, don't wrap too tight because you don't want to cause any tension. Just wrap gentle, and at the same time, just make sure you wrap well. So here I keep wrap till end of my natural hair. You may decide to wrap a little bit further after you pass your natural hair to make it easy for you or for me to take this hair down. Now I'm done with installation, and let me take one piece at the front and show you guys how to take this hair down before I show you the end result. So let me pick this section here and show you guys how to take this hair down. So first of all, I pull this hair down, and at the same time I roll. So pull hair down when I roll. I'm rolling and pull this hair down, rolling and pull this hair down. The way to take this hair down, just the same way like the way we usually take locks down. Very easy and simple. So here I keep roll and pull down till I make sure my hair is out. And when I'm rolling, I make sure I roll opposite direction with the direction I wrap. Hopefully this makes sense. And I roll and wrap till my hair is out, just like this way. And after I take down this hair, I only remove this Marley hair. And guys, this is how the hair looks like. You may reuse again and again and again depending on how many times you want to reuse it. And this is the final result for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video, guys, and you get something. You may see the length. The hair is very long and this hair is very, very light. So guys, I love you so much, and I will see you very soon on my video. And if you find this video is useful, kindly give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your loved one. I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.